Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box. It's somewhere where the cable is. If you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straight on one of the ends. Now the tool I have right here is this one. So the one that comes in the box is a little bit crappier, so be mindful of that. Now, once you have it, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the kind of like middle or bottom, closer to the bottom left side of the phone. So right here where the pin is holding right now, you want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for just a single SIM card. Place it on the tray, and then insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away. It pops up at the bottom that SIM is locked, so I'm gonna first unlock the phone, and then it automatically opens this up, so I can now confirm my SIM card pin. There we go, and this will now unlock the SIM card and it's usable. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.